I'm Bobby Mitchell, plant manager at Dean Meat and Cook Foods. So we cook a lot of product, taco meat, chili. We also produce some fajitas for several different locations. We were gonna add on to our facility and have a lot more cardboard. Pricing on the getting rid of the trash was killing us. The other company was surcharges and fuel charges, and said their customer service wasn't very good. Where the other company, it might be 4 or 5 days before they would come if we forgot to call again. We were looking to save money. Looked up Google Recycling, and Evergreen was the first one that popped up. Called them and they come, took a tour of our plant and told us they could start saving us money right away. We started recycling with them, and that was probably for a year. They were doing such a great job for us on the cardboard, so we just switched to the trash, and we know what we're paying for each haul, and it's still saving us money. Between $10,000 and $15,000 a month that we're saving. It was pretty awesome. The quality of work is awesome, and the customer service was pretty good too. At first, we would forget to call pickups in, and we could call them and they would be out there that day and pick it up. We've also had some services where they brought us extra open top out there. Our compactor went down one time and they had us a open top out there that day to make sure we didn't get backed up on trash. And being able to call and get somebody out there basically the same day or early the next morning and get it taken care of. Where the other company it's gonna be 3 days before we can get out there. Well, we could be shut down if that happens to us. It's a good partnership. You know, if you do what you say you're gonna do, okay, we're good. Evergreen's done everything we've asked them to do. And I have told a couple of companies about them. I mean, I would recommend it. Evergreen was a good find for us.